What's going on, guys? Welcome to another wonderful session with Phrankleen. If this is your first time stopping on my channel, thank you for doing so. Okay. Right. As those of you that have been watching me for a minute, you know I'm a proud practitioner of Ifa. I'm an initiator of Ifa, recently I actually had my annual Ifa initiation celebration in Nigeria, and it was amazing. It was fantastic. But today's episode, before we crack on, please make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash the bell button and select the all option so that you're notified when I posted a video like this or when I'm on a live stream. Okay, thank you for doing so. So my wife, Victoria, recently became an Obatala devotee, had an initiation done in Nigeria. It was a fantastic experience. So I'm just going to share a brief, snippet with you. Obatala, for the purposes of clarity, is known as the god of purity, clear judgment, and the creator of humanity, in line with, Ifa, African spirituality. So, without further ado, Orisha, let's go.
Oríṣẹ́ kú kó wá bá wẹ báyìí lónìí, orí òṣì orí wàhálà kó wá bá wẹ lẹ́ni báyìí, lórí ọmọ lórí ọkọ gbogbo aburú báyìí kó wá bá balẹ̀, ijó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa bíjó, ìyẹ̀rẹ̀ oṣù kì í jẹ́ kí ibi ó sùn nílé awo, ibi kó má ṣe sùn nílé akápò òkè rẹ̀, àìsàn burúkú má ṣe sùn bẹ̀ báyìí lẹ́ni, kẹ́ ẹ dábọ̀, kẹ́ ẹ dákun, kẹ́ ẹ dákun. Kẹ́ ẹ sórí ìtẹ́ olórí méjì ó lágbèbọ̀ adìyẹ gbọ́mi tútù ó fi gbọ́ ìmọ̀ orílẹ̀ ní ìwọ́rí kó wá gbé sówó, kó wá gbé sọ́là, kó wá gbé sálàáfíà, kó wá gbé sí ìdùnnú, ayé rẹ̀ kó dára.
So, in case you're wondering, how does one become an Obatala devotee? Good question. So, Ifa divination, Idafa, as it's known in Yoruba, will be the one to unpack the essence of a particular human being. We are all unique, okay? So it would let you know which of the orishas, which of the deities align, with your universal data set, as I normally call it, your Ori. So if the divination unpacks the fact that you must be, be an Obatala devotee or Oshun devotee and stuff like that, you will be told, it will be unpacked by the Ifa priest during the course. And then in case somebody's wondering, the benefits are tremendous, okay? These deities have their own special role that they play for in the course of the practice of African spirituality, Ifa particularly. And when you do align with, say, Obatala or Oshun, the benefits are tremendous. I'll talk about this in a separate video, but I wanted to put this out there very quickly. Right, I have a very effective and fantastic service, which is Ifa divination service. Okay, basically what I do with that is people come to me, whatever questions you've got regarding any facet of your life, okay, Ifa is able to unpack it for you. So I work closely with a genuine Ifa priest, and then you bring your divination to me. You can send me an email at foodchannel1960@gmail.com. If you're looking into, say, relationship compatibility checks, say, for example, you're dating someone and you're not too sure about the prospect to, your future together, are they the ideal match for you? Are you marrying the person that your Ori aligned with? You understand me? Compatibility checks are very important. And also, if you as an individual, you would like to know what you were called to do in this dispensation via the means of akosejaye. In English, it's called predestination check. This is absolutely important because what you will find is there are plenty of people walking around this planet with no direction, with no sense of fulfillment. You just wake up every day, go to jobs that you know deep down inside that you do not align with, but because of the paycheck, there's nothing to show for it. It's like fetching water with a basket and the clock is ticking, time is running. Do you have that mindset? Ifa is able to unpack who you are. What were you called to do in this dispensation? Do you need to be fully initiated into the order of Ifa? Ifa would let you know if the universe is calling you, what you are called to do. Usually, in line with the practice of Ifa, Akosejaye is done for newly born babies, all right? And within days, normally. But if you've grown through life and you've never, maybe the people that gave birth to you or your guardians never looked in that direction, you can still get it done at Kosajaye to unpack. And the benefit of this is there's a possibility of you being able to recalibrate and retrace your steps. So if this is something you're interested in, are you looking to relocate to Africa or go into a business? Whatever questions you've got, and I mean whatever question, Ifa can unpack it for you, okay? Everything based on honesty. This is not magic. This is not quick fix, all right? This is not gambling. And so basically, it's a spiritual alignment with the universe to be able to put before you the genuine answers that you're looking for. So if you're interested in Ifa divination, please bang me an email to foodchannel1960@gmail.com. Follow me on Instagram at Phrankleen, as it's spelled on my YouTube channel, okay? And you can send me a DM and I'll definitely get back to you. So yeah, that's that. My name is Phrankleen. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you in the very next one. Peace.